Hey, what's up, everybody? Everything good, like you ever. I will share with you my resume ever in the future of city of the city.